Zip-D awning maintenance, especially for the electric awning, because that's what I have on this trailer. The trailer is a 2022 International 25-foot front bedroom twin. So first, we're going to deploy the awning. Then what I like to do is there's a little, I cut these little sponges in half, these little Scotch-Brites, and I can feel some grime on there. So I'm just going to kind of rotate this thing, not pressing too hard, just kind of giving it just a little wipe down, because I don't want to put the lubricant on top of grime. So I believe the blue sponge is one of their easiest ones. I don't know if I'd recommend using a green one or not. Next, we're going to take our silicone spray and our rag, and gonna kind of, we don't want to get this stuff all on the awning, so we're just gonna kind of go with it a little at a time. We'll go ahead and just do just about 1.5 coats, just kind of just making sure it's nice and evenly covered. And that side is done. Next, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take our little Scotch-Brite, just kind of get some of this stuff off here. There's definitely a lot more grime on this one than on those interior tubes, especially up here towards the top. Once again, take our silicone, nice even coat. And even on this one especially too, the same thing. I can feel no lubrication. I do this about once a month. Just whenever we're out. It's been a little while, so definitely got a nice good coat on it now. Repeat the same procedure for the second side, and you are good to go. Then next we're going to take our White Lithium Grease. It's got an agitator. We're going to shake it up. I'm going to kind of give it a little dry fire just to make sure that it's good to go. And I'm going to put this tip inside here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat that same process on the other side. And just to show you where that little hole is for the lithium grease, you'll find it right there. I just wanted to share the 2 items that I use to lubricate the Zip-D awning arms. On the left is a CRL Pro 3 silicone spray, and on the right is the WD-40 White Lithium Grease that has like a fold-down straw that fits perfectly in the awning arm hole. Both of them I got off Amazon, and I'll leave links down below just to be able to pick them up. So, thank you. Thanks for checking this video out. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to kind of keep on doing just some kind of new videos, testing out new things.